Okay, here we are with the puppy pack, the crazy gang, and we're going to try and put them into their pens because we have to put another dog in and we have to put these into their pens. So here we go. Come on, Emma, no messing about now.
Right.
Which one first?
I'm going to try and go down the line.
Oh, this will be good.
Oh, wait, on it, that one.
Okay, quick, shut the door. Get the stripy one out. Oh, nearly. Yep, well done.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yay.
Okay.
Who's next?
Like Batman, Clover and Duncan.
Oh dear. They put themselves in. Well done, Batman. Batman's an excellent dog. They've all put themselves in. Well done.
Okay.
Batman may be a bit traumatised with the 7 little small wolves that have appeared today.
Yeah, probably.
It's a bit too much for anybody. You might see the small little wolfy things.
Right,
Yes.
now I'm going to get 5 puppies in here.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Come on, everyone.
Here we go.
We're working on if I get everyone in.
And then get the ones that you don't want in out.
Come
Okay.
on, babies.
Okay, maybe I can get this little one
Nearly got
in.
5 puppies.
Okay.
Dogs. But the
Okay.
ones I want aren't coming in.
Oh dear, here's some little wolf ones here. Here's a little wolf. Come, little wolf. Yes, please. Oh, I got a wolf here. Yes, hi.
I think I need 2 more, do I?
Here's a wolf coming.
Okay, I need 3 more wolves, I think.
Okay,
2 behind
just a
you.
moment. Here we go. Oh, this one's escaped. One's gone under the bush. Not excellent video this, I'm afraid. One wolf is heading off. Come on, little wolfie. Wolfine. Yes, please. Come on. Come on, we're not doing this game. Come on now, Wolfie. Come on, little wolfie puppy. I'll have this one then. Oh dear. Yes, I know. Oh my goodness me. Oh. Okay, I got one. Hi, Coochie Coo. Okay, I have one. Yeah, little wolfette is still in the
I'm
shade.
trying to get some out as I'm putting them like.
Here's,
Okay, I've got that
there
one.
you go. Okay. Now, what we got left here? Oh, here it is. This is the cheekiest one. Yes, please. Come here. Come here, you. Oh, no. And I caught little Wolfina. Oh, yes, enough kisses. Oh, my goodness. Okay, say hi. Where are you? Hello, you. This is harder than it might look, or maybe it looks hard. Okay, last one here.
Come here, I can't catch her.
We'll leave that one for now.
Come on, sweetheart. Come on. She might want to get out. Would be good. Right. Okay, another wolf dog. Right, let me get this one to go, yeah? Come on, sweetheart.
2 here. Waiting for their turn, or not. Okay.
That's 5 puppies in there successfully.
Okay, excellent.
Right.
That one
Okay.
exited. Cool.
Right, next,
Okay, not many to go.
okay, next stop.
Who's shouting?
Naya. Right, not Naya. Right, next stop in here I'm having Malteser, Gracie and Nugget.
Okay.
Right, and the 3 lurkery ones at that end. But now we're introducing, and so that's what I'm
Great. Okay, fabulous. Everybody's going to see the new dogs and have a fight. Wonderful.
Actually, I've got some surgeons in there.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, here comes Nugget.
Right, Nugget, they're going to have to got that in now. Unless they want to come in here. Come on, Nugget. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Good girl. Come on, everyone.
Come on, babies.
See? He's always there. Come on, then. Peachy.
Okay, I'm going to need 2 hands now at this point, so I'm leaving the video.